what's happening here is we're setting and marking out a green to be built. As you can see, it's an area that's just been scraped out. I'm working with Mark Allard and Dean Cooper at Parkhill. You see there, Dean's just knocked a post in as a datum. So they can find the centre of the green, so they can work off the plan. As you can see, they're just measuring it now. I'll knock a post in.
The estimation from the back of the hedge, because the hedge has been cut since.
Right.
Been cut down, so now we can redetermine where the green's going to be. So we know that that post at the back there is the back of the green where we're intending, because that was 10.5 metres. We'll now realign the 11.71, which will give us the front edge of the green,
right.
And then we'll continue. Then we can just check the rail central, and then we'll go from there. So we'll reset that 11.7.
So what's happening here? Mark's gone off the plan and he's found... What measurement you got there then, Mark?
It's 8.5 metres.
He's got 8.5 metres. Is what he's looking for on his plan. Which is... It's upside down, but it's there. He's going to get an angle with the projector. What angle is it, Mark? That?
Yeah, it's 45 degrees. Sit down, oh, yeah.
Degrees.
Show you something. Here's your pen. Get the protractor. They've all been marked up with the protractor. Give me the pen.
Right. Move is as you said to. Now that there. He's there. He's there. He's there. Okay, right, so what Dean's done there is these angles here are all coming off at 45 degrees, and then what he's done is he's gone on the post and marked off 45 degrees on there from the centre. I presume he's going to take his measurements from there.
Get on. So what you've got to do now, Matt, is line me up with that line.
Yep.
When I'm in that line, so that measurement, then we marked out for the green, which is 8.5. Yeah?
Yeah.
So 8.5, and then we'll come off at those 6 points, 8 points.
Okay.
We'll measure off, and then you can go and mark round the perimeter.
Yep.
Just need some more stakes, don't we?
Post that Dean's put in there is that's the front of the green, and he's pretty much going to put pegs in like a clock, going off the plans, measuring from that centre post. So as you can see now, look, Mark's going off the plan, and he's just taking the measurements with the tape. And he's telling Dean where to put the pegs in. As we can see, pegs have been put in there, one there, one there, one up there. So we're going to have eight pegs in, and there they are, they're all the pegs in. Now what Mark's doing is marking out the shape of the green. Going around the with the pegs. It's only construction stage, so it doesn't have to be too accurate to the shape of the exact green, which will come obviously when you start mowing it. It's got a very good finished. Right, what Mark's done is he's looked at the plan and he's looked at what nozzles he's using for his irrigation system, and he's calculated the spacings that are required around the green, and he's come up with that it needs to be in a 14 metre square around the green. So now his next job now is to set that up. Right, what we're going to do now is set up the irrigation for the green. We're just deciding on where the control box is going based on where the main is, where the main irrigation line is coming across, and that's coming along the back of the field there. So they're putting the control box in. You see they're knocking a stake in for it there. And the next decision, we know what sprinklers are being used, so we need to then calculate what that position is going to be on the green. So yeah, he's just roughly marking out where the pop-ups are going to be at 14 metre spacings. That's head space and row space. So that was the front of the green, so it's coming to the back of the green now. So that's 14 metres, and in the specification it's got to be about half a metre off the green. Right, so that's the green marked out for initial stages. So what we've got the datum point been put in there. Then from the plan we measured out the centre of the green, which was that stake there in there. And then off that we triangulated off to find the perimeter of the green, which we can see marked out now in white. And then from there Mark calculated the pop-up, the sprinkler distances at 14 metres, and then we can see that they're located there as them white stakes, and Dean's putting a dotted line in for the pipe work. But you've got one down in the bottom right hand corner here, and in the top right, and then 14 metres, which is across there, and then one down here, and then even the control box, control valve, which has been located just here, coming off the main, which is going to run along that road. So this is going to be the, what hole is this going to be, Mark? This is going to be the